Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Listen to this. Something strange is happening at the clubhouse.
I must have hit the silly switch by mistake,
Goofy says.
Silly things have been going on all day. Like what?
Asks Mickey.
Well, first I heard one silly sound,
says Goofy.
Then,
Goofy adds,
I heard another. Now,
says Goofy,
I hear another silly sound. And look, there are tracks all around the clubhouse. Well,
Mickey says,
the silly switch is off, so that's not it. Maybe Toodles can help us figure out what's going on. Oh, Toodles!
Toodles brings 4 mystery Mousetool clues. Toodles' first Mousetool clue is a ball.
So the first silly sound is the noise a bouncing ball makes,
says Mickey.
A ball?
Says Goofy. The second Mousetool clue is a bell on a collar.
Gosh, I still don't get it,
says Goofy. The third Mousetool clue is a milk bowl. Says Mickey.
What plays with a bowl, wears a collar with a bell, and drinks milk out of a bowl? Whatever it is,
says Goofy,
it must have cute little paws to leave tracks like these. Paws like a kitty cat,
Mickey says.
Look, the solution to the mystery is your cat, Mr. Pettibone. Gee willikers, Goofy, Mr. Pettibone just wants to play with you,
Mickey says.
Play? I'd love to,
says Goofy.
Here, kitty, kitty.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. Stay healthy, everyone. See you next time.